How to add music to a photo in CapCut and save it as a video. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can add music to a photo in CapCut and save it as a video. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the CapCut application in your mobile device. Tap on New Project. Now you have to select a photo from your gallery. Go to the photo section and now add a photo, then tap on add. Now once the photo has been loaded into the timeline, you can tap on the photo in the timeline and drag the edges in order to increase or decrease the duration. Now once you have your preferred duration, in order to add audio, tap on the audio option right here on the timeline. Now tap on sounds. Here you can either choose the sounds from the CapCut's music library. If you want to import from your device, you have to tap on this file option and you have to import from your device. If you want to use the extracted audio, tap on extract and extract the audio from the video. But for now, we will just add a music from the CapCut's music library. Here, scroll down and look for the song. If you want to listen to a song, tap on the song. And if you want to add that, tap on plus. And there you can see now the music has been added to the timeline. Now you can edit the audio. Again, tap on the audio and then you can slide in order to match the beginning of the audio with the photo. If you want to edit the audio, tap on the audio and here you can edit the audio. You can adjust the volume. You can apply different audio effects and apply fade in also. Now sync the music with your photo duration. For that, swipe to your left a bit and here place the slider just with the ending of your photo. Then tap on audio, then tap on split. After that, you can delete this remaining part. For that, tap on delete. Here now the video or the audio has been perfectly synced with the photo duration. Now if you want to edit more, you can edit this video as well. You can add effects, you can add text, or you can add various stickers as well. Once you're done editing, tap on the export button at the top right. And now you have to wait until the video gets exported. Once this process is complete, your video with the audio or this image with the audio will be saved in your gallery as a video. Then you can share it in a different platforms. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.